Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaraya channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, simply of course you just have to open your App Store applications over here, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, if you wanna download it for the camscanner, simply just tap on this search bar at the top. Now you just have to type for the camscanner. After, we have to search it. And yeah, we'll find out here the camscanner that I mean. If you want to download it, you just have to simply tap on this get button. Now we just have to wait for a second until the processing is done, yeah guys, to downloading. And maybe here I'm gonna speed it up for the videos while downloading these applications. And when the downloading is done, the get button before it will change to this open button here guys, which is this application is already downloading. Now we just have to close the App Store, and yeah, this is the result. We can set up now for the camscanner and use it. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.